Hi everyone, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to use Canva to make your presentations for your living museum. So once you make your account and log in, you're going to be on this page which is called templates. So you can either do a presentation or a poster. Whichever one you choose, whichever one you want to do, feel free. I'm going to do poster for this example, so I'm just going to click on the poster and you're going to have all these different options of different posters you can do. Now, some of the options are going to have a yellow crown in the bottom right corner. We're not going to use those because those do cost money. So just find any design you like that doesn't have a yellow crown and click on it. So for this example, I'm just going to do this one. You can preview what it looks like. If this is what you want to use, you're going to press the purple button that says customize this template. It's going to open it in a new tab and it's going to pop up. So I'm just going to exit this out over here, and now you can edit your poster or your presentation. So here, let's just say I'm doing my project over Barack Obama. I'm going to click on this text right here, double click it, and type in his name. Oops. Okay, so now that's really huge. I don't like how big that is, obviously. So I'm just gonna highlight this whole thing, go over here to where it says font size, and type in a different font. You can scroll through the different font sizes or type one in. I'm just gonna type in 500. Okay, that size looks decent, but I don't like how it's placed. So I'm just gonna click it and drag it across the screen wherever I would like it. That looks good enough for me. Now, I don't want this picture of this random person here, so I'm just going to click it, and there's a delete button with the trash can. I'm going to click that. I'm also going to delete these because I don't really want this extra text for the example. I'm going to leave this one, though. Now, I want to put a picture of Barack Obama so people know who I'm talking about. So I'm going to go over to the left side where it says Uploads, and I'm going to press Upload Files. So I've downloaded a picture of Barack Obama off of Google. Y'all are going to do that with your particular historical figure. If you need help with that during class, I can help you, but I already have it downloaded. So I'm just going to double click that, and it's going to load down here. Once it's loaded, just click on it and it'll pop up on the screen. You can resize it with these little buttons on the side, the little circles. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller and move it to the side for this example. Now, you guys have been doing research on your particular historical figure, so you're gonna have facts and information to put on your poster or your slideshow. So for example here, I'm just gonna put Barack Obama. I'm not gonna type it all out, but Barack Obama was the 44th president of the United States. Type that right there and drag it around to wherever you like. Now this is a little bit too small for my liking, so I'm just gonna highlight this whole thing and change the size. Let me just make it 50, and you guys can choose whatever fonts you like. I just ask that you don't use a font like this. That's definitely hard to read. We want it to be as readable as possible for people, so use any fonts you like, just not something with super curvy font or cursive. So any of these, just scroll through. There's so many fonts. Pick which ones you like. If you want to change the color of your text, highlight it. There's this button with a little A. It's text color. You can scroll through all these different colors, and if you want to make your own color, click that little color wheel. You can scroll through, pick whatever color you would like. So if you want it to be purple, there you go. And I want you guys to be super creative with this, but as long as you have your information, that's all I need. I want this to be fun for you guys. Decorate it however you like. Just make sure all that information is there. So that's a quick little tutorial on how to use Canva for your slideshow or your poster. I really hope this was helpful for you guys. If you do have any further questions, feel free to come ask me during class, and have fun making your projects.